In the earlier videos, we looked around at the different work tables, the libraries, and the sketchbook. In this video, we want to start making designs that we save to our computer so we can open them again and again. Start by naming your project file. I'll repeat this. Before you begin making designs that you want to save, start by naming your project file. See how it says Untitled up here? This means I've not yet named my project. Here it tells me what to do. To start a new project, type a project name here, then click OK. So I'll type Log Cabin, and then click OK. Now see how it says Log Cabin up here? That means the project that I'm working on in EQ7 right now is named, is being saved to my computer's hard drive, and that I'll be able to find this project in the future so I can open it up again to continue working on it. Okay, let's design a log cabin quilt. I need blocks. I could draw blocks, but it's easier to go to Libraries, Block Library. By clicking Search from Note Card, I can search to see if EQ7 has log cabin blocks already drawn for me to use. Yes, here's some log cabin blocks. I'll click each one I might want to use, then click Add to Sketchbook. And this is important. Since I'm now working in a named project, everything I add to the sketchbook will automatically be permanently saved for me in my named log cabin project file. My whole sketchbook, meaning everything I add to the sketchbook as I work, will be saved automatically. Click Close to close the block library. I'm on the quilt work table. I know that by the word quilt up here, and this current layout looks like an empty quilt, so it's pretty obvious. Do you remember which tool brings up the blocks you've added to your sketchbook so you can set them into your quilt? It's the Set Block tool. To set a block, I click on a block to select it, then click on the quilt. If I make a mistake, I can erase by using the Erase Block tool. I'll click the Set Block tool again, and this time I'm going to hold the keyboard Command key as I click the quilt. You'll love using this shortcut to fill all the block spaces at once as you click. I like the quilt and want to keep it. I'll click Add to Sketchbook. It's up here. This red arrow on a book represents adding something to the sketchbook. I'll hold the Command key and click with a different block. Now I have another quilt to keep. I'll click Add to Sketchbook again. This other red button is View Sketchbook. To see what I've put into the sketchbook so far, I click View Sketchbook to open the sketchbook. Here are my quilts, and you can use these buttons here to determine how many quilts get displayed in this pane at one time. This Note Card button will let you name a quilt. When I click the Blocks button, I can see my log cabin blocks. And remember, everything in this project sketchbook, the quilts, the blocks, the fabrics, and so on, are all saved with this project name, Log Cabin. And it gets saved on your computer's hard drive so that it can be opened again at a future time.